Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will show you how a student can cancel their recurring subscription. First of all, to cancel their recurring subscription, they have to visit their student dashboard and then order history, where they can see all their order history. So as you can see, here is my all order history, and in the last order, it's active and it's a recurring subscription. As you can see, the next payment is on September 26th. So to cancel this order, I have to click on view, and you can see the order status is active, but I have to click on cancel subscriptions. So as a student, when I will click on cancel subscriptions, this order will be moved to pending cancellation. As you can see, now it's pending cancellation. So when a student will cancel their subscription, it will move from active to pending cancellation. And still, the student will be available to continue accessing this pending status course or pending status membership until the next payment is due. The next payment is on September 26th, and when it will be September 26th, the order will be cancelled automatically. But before that, I will be available to access the course. So this is how your student can cancel their subscription. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.